Okay. So placement requirement guidance. I keep the heading as placement requirement guidance. What is the meaning of that? What generally students will require to get into the job, to get placements, and why many of the students are lacking in nowadays. Even I heard one word from majority of the students that there is no opportunities in the market. That means all businesses in India is died. There is end for the business in India? No. And if you observe any market analysis something, India is having a rapid growth. Generally India is in position to boost up their profits, expanding their business. Without employment opportunities, how can India will expand, guys? Without employment, without a working employees, how the company will get success? Or if the company getting success means there is definitely they have to recruit new people. But we are not going into that level. We are having not aware about it. And one more thing, we are not having enough skills. Either we people don't know about what are the opportunities, or we are not ready to grasp it, or we are not fit for it. That are the only two reasons. So how many people will think, are you fit for employment? Whatever you learned, it may be Power BI, Power Apps, SQL, Excel, or it may be anything. How perfect are you? Did anyone scale yourself? All of you try to scale yourself out of 10, whatever the course it may be. Out of 10, what is your rating? Just to scale your rating out of 10, how strong you are in one particular skill. Hanuman 5, okay. Remaining people out of 10, even offline people also can respond. 5, 6 Power BI, 5 out of 10 Prashak, Ramu 5, okay. Others not even ready to give, dare to give rating as 5 as well. Okay, Vinay 6 to 7. Amit 7 in Power BI, 6 in SQL. Okay, how many of you think I will rate my skill as 7 or above 7? No, 6. Then how can you expect a job, guys? 6 means 60%. You people will clearly know that 60 is not enough percentage to qualify in exam also, right? Is 60 is enough to get into the job? Any company, if you attend a written test, is 60% enough? If you are not ready to offer a job to others, if the person have only 60% knowledge, will you offer a job for him? Will you pay salary to that person? No, because he is not fit. How much will you expect if you are ready to recruit four persons, for example? How much rating you require? Above 60%. And two persons are above 70, two persons are above 60. Whom will you prefer? Above 70. Then where you are? So how can you expect a job, guys? So I'm not blaming you people. You already know what you are, and you already know what company expect. Based on that, you are giving a rating called 6 or 7, or maybe few people 5 or less than 5. So how can you expect a job if there is a opportunity? I will tell you in the last how many opportunities are in the market. In last 2 months only, I will share. And there is a requirement even for our main goal is Power BI here, major running business, and many of the students will learn definitely Power BI. Only with the Power BI, that too for freshers are well also welcome for that. What is that company, what they are expecting, everything I will share you today. Even today I will share you things you can apply today as well, if you are good at Power BI. But before applying and after applying also, before attending any interview, guys, it may be today company or another company, are you having enough skills or not? If you are not having enough skills, try to update your skill yourself first. Not even before getting into the job, after getting into the job, upskilling is very much important. If you are not upskilling yourself, there is a full stop for your career growth. Don't worry about it. And there is a famous dialogue in Maharshi movie also. Success never have full stops, only commas. What is the meaning of it? Marshina Bharatane nenu. Ah, okay. Movie name, we are too sharp. But rate yourself, you given 6. Okay. Maybe it may be Bharatane nenu. What is the meaning of it? Hmm. 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 Leap learning skills, Hanuman, Vinay. It was stop means no growth. Yes. So if you put a comma, even in essay writing or any newspaper article, also if you observe, guys, there is a comma means the story is not ending. Maybe next chapter they will start or next related line. But if there is a full stop means they may start new story as well. So in your life also, if you have one success, then you have to move to the next level. Like Candy Crush, people will play, or PUBG, people will play very much. Level by level, increase or not. If there is a full stop, how many people will play that game? No. If there is no ending levels, after 20 levels, they may use as it is level 1, but we are not ready to understand. If they display as 21 number, we are ready to update. So what is my level? What is your level? We will compete with our friends. But why not in career? In career also we will compete, right? Just do a competition with others, that to your batchmates where they are, where you are. So are you improving day by day or not? Every day there is a last to 10 minutes before going to sleep, put a mark, guys, what you learned today, what you did today. I sent 20 messages today, I sent 3 persons 30 messages today. Don't note that. So what you learned related to career subjects, you can just make a note in a separate book or in a single paper also. First, note down all the dates. Then note down every day you are observing means definitely a change will come without monitoring yourself. So what you did, what you don't do. If you didn't do anything, simply put a small hyphen. Then after 1 week, you can easily understand how many days you attended, what you learned. Before that, if required, you can make down one more column what actually you need to learn. So in Power BI, you scale as 6 or 7. In SQL, you got 7. Okay. So what you need to learn further? So note down the topics. Or which topics are you strong? Which topics are you weak? Note down one time in a tabular format. Then you can understand. So try to update and try to perfect where you are weak. Try to perfect in that concepts. Then if you attend any interview, you can easily crack, guys. Okay, na? These are the common points. Every person individually can make it. Okay, na? And let's enter into this. So what we will going to discuss is, one is placement awareness, what is available, and key skills for success. It is not related to any one course, I am telling you, including all the courses, guys. This is a common parameter. And placement process, if you're getting into the job, what is the process you need to follow, and what is your resume action, how your resume will be. And next one, interview preparation tips. Many people will attend for interview. After applying interview, if they receive a call, they will go. But what you need to do between your work, before attending the interview or after applying, what you need to do, that we will discuss. And recent job postings, what I shared, generally if your people are registered and if you are in a community group, you will also can observe easily what are the job links, is it available or not, guys, in a community from last 2 months. Are you receiving the links? How many people are applied for it? Okay, that is up to you. Then in the last, if you have any question and answer session, we will discuss in the last, guys. So before that, let's make it a small question for you. After this, we'll enter into the actual session. Just read and answer anyone. No, Hanuman. For freshers and experienced people, also jobs are available. You people can monitor clearly. Srinivas, rise. Okay.